Hi everyone, welcome back to the Book Vandal Shop. I have a project share for you today. This was a request from Astrid Maclean from VintagejoyDesign. That's her Etsy shop name, VintagejoyDesign, and her name is Astrid Maclean. She contacted me and asked me if I'd be interested in using her new kit in a project, and so she sent that over to me, and I'd like to share with you what I created. I'll make sure I put all of Astrid's links below, so you can visit her social media and her Etsy shop. So this is a softcover journal, and it measures approximately about 6.5 inches by 8.5, and it's a fat little thing at 3 inches thick. And then I've put some sari silk ties here that you can trim to your own length. If you don't want them to wrap around the journal, you can cut those off. So the cover is a faux suede or a synthetic suede brown. See there, it has a floral pattern. Sorry, I do probably need to take a lint brush to it. And then I have some different vintage laces and trims on the cover. And some of these I know came from Jean at Inky Owl Studio and Gina Burton Christopherson, and yeah. Anyway, it has a little metal embellishment here, live in the moment, and then I've created a pocket behind. This is one of the images out of the kit that I've chosen for the cover, and I've made a little pocket there with this little envelope, and inside has a little tag for you to write your name on and maybe your contact information. So if you were to misplace it, then it can be returned to you, or you can take that out and put whatever you want inside there. Okay, and then we have a little embellishment charm here, fabric snippets and a key. Okay, let's get inside this thing. Here is the inside cover, and it is this gorgeous pink velvet, crushed velvet. It is so soft. My friend Lisa gave me that, so that's what I put inside. And as you can see, this thing is busting with pink and lace and frilly stuff. It's very, very feminine. This is going to be a long video, guys, so if you want to go get a cup of tea or coffee and then come back, you might want to do that. All right, and I will try to stop yakking. There's some stamping roses in here, coffee dyed paper I've done with doilies, pink dyed paper that I've done, and then obviously a lot of it is from the kit. Okay, with this tag. And let me zoom it down, and I will do less talking and more flipping, and I'll keep it nice and close so you can see the details, and I won't have to explain everything. That's some mulberry paper there. That's some of Lisa's dyed wax paper that she does in a beautiful rose quartz color. Napkin decoupaging. There's a pocket right back here, and then I've left the envelope open so that it's easier to put things in it rather than just sliding from the top. If it's open, you can use it easier. I didn't put anything in it as I didn't want to cover up the prettiness, but that is for you to cover up. Put something in. And that is an original calendar page from a 1967 date book and some coffee dyed paper. The book pages in here are all from Pride and Prejudice, The Little French Girl, and Little Women. So very feminine books to put in there. This is one of those pocket pages. I think I've got a tutorial for this one, or one very similar to it. Tabs are the pink velvet that's on the inside, and here's a little bit of a snippet roll that I put together, and then I've glued it to this belly band here, and just some coffee dyed lined paper. Lots of journaling room in this, and one of the little embellishments, I backed it with some stiffer cardstock. See if I can get that in focus. There we go. Some stiffer cardstock, and then put it on a pin here as a dangle. Oh, I'm sorry. And then this banner here is a paper clip. Okay, and then the center signature here is a file folder insert. Which I will be having a tutorial for this very, very soon. So let me back this out just a hair. So it has two journal signatures, and then the third signature here in the middle is an insert. So it opens up, and you have immediately right here at your convenience is a notepad, a memo pad. And it is removable, so that way you can make another one and put in its spot. Okay, so I've backed it with cardstock back here, and it just slides down in the slot. Okay. So super easy to make one of those with your scrap papers. Okay, on this side is a button and string closure folder area, and inside here are 6 journaling cards. Okay. They're all the same on the front. On the back, some have lines, some have grids, some have plain paper. Okay. And then this flips out, and you'll have a little folder pocket here and a little tuck spot here. So I just have a coffee dyed receipt here in this pocket. Now this page here is from a ledger book that I have. This is the real thing, not a copy, and this is from the 1930s. The dates on some of it in there was 1934 and 1935. Okay, and then that's the back. Here's the third signature. Let me zoom back down again. I have a little embellishment here. Coffee dyed lined paper. It is, it is embellished, but there is still so much room to write in this book. Not exactly sure on the paper count or the page count. I forgot to do that before I started this video, so I will make sure that I put the page count below along with the dimensions again, but it's quite a bit. Okay, it's a double pocket, so there's a glassine bag there, and then a cardstock down there. So it creates a double pocket, and then some embellishing there using some of the fabric snippets. Lots of lace, lots of, little trims. This is not part of the kit. This is a postcard that a friend Barb Swigert in Illinois, she sent that to me in some happy mail, so it just fit perfect because of the roses that was on it. Okay, and then here I just have a coffee dyed window envelope. One of the images from the kit is a stamp, and I've got a sheet of coffee dyed paper inside here for writing on. I'll let the little butterfly stamp show through. And then on the back I've done a little bit of paper layering and a wax seal that says "With Love." Okay, and then we have a little folder area. Just coffee dyed receipt, but I've embellished just a little bit. Lots of lace. Lots of lace. I don't normally go quite that overboard with the pink and lace, but I just, you know, the kit just begged for it, and so I ran with it. Okay, this is paper clip. And that's what I had that paper clipped to. Put it back. The music page that's back here is from a music book that I had. That's the original piece of paper. It's from the late 1800s. And that's just a piece of time card. So it says Monday through Sunday on it. Just a piece of it, but it fit perfectly there. More of Lisa's dyed wax paper, and that's what I've used to trim this up. Oh, I forgot that folds out. And then this is backed with some of the velvet that's on the inside cover of the journal. So I just have some little beads and butterflies here on this clip. Little envelope. And inside, just have a strip of coffee dyed paper. And then after you fold it up, you can tuck that right behind there. Okay, put that back on, and then I'll remember where it goes. A few more pages. There's another belly band with the snippet roll and a piece of coffee dyed. Or actually, this one isn't coffee dyed. This one's pink dyed oily paper. That's some of the coffee dyed doily paper, and the details are just amazing. Very cool. Well, I can't get it to come into focus though, can I? And some pink dyed paper. We're almost done. Last page. Then we have some lace there and my BookVandalShop label. So this was a beautiful kit to work with. Just a lot of fun. So thank you, Astrid, for sending it to me. I appreciate it. This project of mine will be available tonight. This is Friday, June 19th, 18th. I don't know the date. I'm sorry, but it's Friday. And it will be available tonight at 10 p.m. Eastern Time. So that would be 10 p.m. New York time. And I will have it available in the Etsy shop. And I'm sorry that things go so fast. I don't know what to say other than just be there a few minutes early. And I do list it at exactly 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So all you can do is just hit refresh over and over again. And if you catch it, you catch it. But all right. I will let you go. Till the next video. Take care. Be well. Bye-bye.